Hello students, today we will start our course Statistics and Probability, the course number MT15. Myself, Professor Varsha Genji. I am in the Department of Mathematics, Savitribai Phule, Pune University. Let us begin with the concept of random experiment. You know, experiments that we perform in science in various disciplines such as physics, chemistry, biology, they have definite outcomes. But certain experiments that are performed, their outcomes are not predictable. Such as if you throw a coin, whether head will come up or tail is not predictable in advance. Or if you throw a die, then which number will appear is not predictable. So such experiments whose outcome is not predictable in advance, although the set of all possible outcomes is known, is called as a random experiment. And the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called as the sample space of the experiment. For example, if a die is rolled, then the set of all outcomes is capital omega. This set consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or consider experiment of tossing a coin. Then it consists of H for head and T for tail. So this is the sample space for that experiment. Or consider another experiment of determining sex of a newborn baby. So then you have two possibilities. So the sample space here is G and B. G for girl and B for boy. Let us consider another experiment. Suppose four horses are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4. They are running in a race. And we want to see in which order they reach the final destination. So 1, 2, 4, 3 denotes the outcome when the horse number 1 reaches first, horse number 2 reaches second, horse number 4 reaches the third time, and horse number 3 reaches the last. So how many possibilities are there? Sample space of this random experiment, and it is the all orderings of the tuple 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you will see, the cardinality of this sample space is 4 factorial. So the sample space, when it has either finite or countably infinite number of elements, then it is called as discrete sample space. Consider random experiment of tossing a coin 3 times. Then you will have 8 elements listed here, because when you throw it, you will either get H or T. Having thrown the first time, second time has 2 possibilities again, H or T, and a third time also H or T. So this is the set of all possibilities. So the sample space here consists of HHH, HHT, HTH. So you can count like HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT. Another set of 4 elements is THH, THT, TTH and TTT. So total there are 8 elements. Similarly, what will be the cardinality of the sample space if I toss a coin 5 times, or in general 8 times? So as you guess, this is 2 to the power n. So consider experiment of tossing 2 dice. What is the sample space? So what is omega here? So when you are tossing 2 dice, so you will have ordered pair. So first die will give me 1 and second will give me 1. First die will give me 1, second will be 2. Like that I can, so you can guess this will be 1 through 6. Then I can have first die will give me 1, second will be 1, first will be 2, second will be 2 and 2, and so on. So likewise there will be how many elements? So cardinality of this sample space will be, there are 6 possibilities here and 6 here independently. So 6 into 6. So this is 36. Now let us go to the another concept here, that is the concept of event. So what is an event? Each subset of the sample space is an event. So for example, the experiment of tossing a coin 3 times. Suppose I am interested in the event of getting at most 2 heads. Then which are the elements that will be there in this subset? At most 2 heads. So HHT, HTH, HTT, and so on. So except all 3 heads, I have all the elements in A. So this subset is an event. Event of getting at least 2 heads. So in this subset, I will have HHH, HTH, HHT, and THH. So I am on at least, mind you, I want at least 2 heads. So every event, what are mutually exclusive events? So 2 events are said to be mutually exclusive if their intersection is empty. So this A intersection B is empty. If I have n events, when they are said to be mutually exclusive, when AI intersection AJ is empty whenever I is different than J. Of drawing 2 cards at random from a bag containing 4 cards marked with integers 1 through 4. Find the sample space S1 of the experiment if the first card is replaced before the second is drawn. So S1 consists of these elements. So find the sample space of the experiment. If I am considering the experiment